Welcome back to the PLG123. This is episode 58, and today's tab is about Zoom apps. Let's dive in. Zoom apps finally launched after being announced last October. My view in short, bright future, but damn, that was a rocky start. We've talked a lot about Zoom apps before on the PLG123. With it, Zoom is going beyond basic integrations to bring your favorite apps natively into your meetings. For example, you can introduce yourself with the app from Warmly, you can add structure to your meeting and take notes with apps from Fellow and Docket, you can pull up your projects and tasks in Lucid or Workona while Zooming with your team. Or imagine a much larger Zoom meeting with lots of attendees. You can engage them better by running a poll or a survey using apps like Polly or SurveyMonkey. So, super cool and super promising. There's just one problem. The launch was rocky. Because it's a desktop app, you only see the in-product announcements and buttons if you're on the most recent version of the app. Many people, myself included, are multiple versions behind without knowing it. I had to proactively go into my Zoom settings, check for updates, download the new version, and then was able to discover Zoom apps. And the other thing making it a rocky start outside of discovery was permissions. Your admin needs to give you install permissions before you can use anything from Zoom apps. So even if you were on the most recent version, dying to install some piping hot new apps, you still ended up getting your wrist slapped and weren't able to adopt because you didn't have permission. So look, in closing, Zoom's gonna figure this out and it's gonna be great, but I have to say that after a lot of anticipation for the Zoom apps launch, it was a bit suboptimal due to all this friction to discover and install. Well, that does it for today on the PLG123. Make sure to follow me and tune in tomorrow for another new tab.